This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Features include commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, adjustable driver pedals, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Hudson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2020 Crestview Drive in Hudson.